Hello to all the content writers of future and welcome to this course which is learn content writing using AI and start freelancing. Basically in this course I will be teaching you that how you can start your content writing career without even learning content writing. We will be using a software to write content for us. We just have to give that software commands and that software will be writing content for us very effectively, and I'll also tell you that how you can start freelancing and I will be telling you about some of the out of the box ways to find high ticket clients for your freelancing career. Now this course is not going to be any way technical, or I'm not going to share with you some skills or some technical things, but this course is only software based. We will be using AI, artificial intelligence, and a software to write content for us. So you don't need to learn any skill, but you need to learn is something that is called a software, and that's all. You just need to learn a software and you need to learn that how you can find clients, and that's all, and you can become a successful content writer. Now let's just discuss what you can write using that software, and after that course what you can write. First of all, you will be able to write blog posts, their headlines, their titles, intros, and you will be able to write the blog content as well. You just have to give the software a description that write me a blog post on that idea, or you just have to copy the description of your client and paste into the software, and the software will do it all for you. And then you will be able to write ad copies for Facebook ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads, or any kind of digital or physical ads or print ads. You can just write ad copies by just giving commands. Then you can write product descriptions for Amazon, Shopify, and other stores. Then you can write video content like video scripts, video descriptions, and all these things. And also you will be able to write social media posts and social media content. Along with that, you can write song lyrics as well, with translations. You can translate any kind of content, and there are a lot other things that you will be able to do, but that would be all covered in this course, and I cannot cover each and everything here. Now let's just discuss that what's covered inside this course. So first of all, I'll tell you about how you can use AI to write blog content, their headings, titles, descriptions, and the short descriptions, etc, etc. Then you will be learning that how you can use AI to write ad, social media, and e-commerce content, and there is a lot more like lyrics writing, translations, and a lot other stuff, and I'll be covering in this course. And the most important thing, you can also audit the existing content quality. Like you have an existing content and you want to audit that content, you can audit that content as well as a content editor. Then after learning all that stuff, the main thing is finding clients, and I'll be telling you about the out of the box ways to find clients, not Fiverr, Upwork, but some of the amazing ways to find clients from Google, Facebook, Instagram, not Instagram but YouTube, and these kind of platforms. I'll be telling you that how you can find clients from these platforms, and then I'll also tell you that how you can generate passive income from that content writing stuff. And now I think I should not waste your time and we should get into the course. But before that, I want to tell you that if you are still not satisfied with my description, then you can watch out next lecture, which is related to the income expectations and other expectations, what you should expect from this course and what you will be learning in detail, and what value you would be getting in detail after this course. And also, if you will still not be convinced, then what you can do is you can watch the what's inside lecture of each section. So basically on Udemy, the course is divided into sections, and sections are then divided into lectures. So for each section I have a complete detailed overview video, and that video is for free, so you can watch it for free without enrolling into the course to learn that what's covered inside this course. And also you can have a look at the curriculum of the course below to learn more about what you would be learning from this course. And now let's just get right in the course, get crux out of this course, and learn how you can start your freelance content writing career and become a successful content writer. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the most important aspect of this course, and that is income expectations and other expectations. What practically should you expect from this course, and after watching this course, practically what value you would be getting in the monetary form or in the skill form. So we'll be discussing all in this lecture. First of all, here we are at the tool that we are going to use, and this is the tool. And here you can see, if we will just scroll down, you can do a lot of things using these tools: Facebook ad titles, text summaries, content improvement, company bios, photo post captions, Pinterest descriptions, product descriptions, YouTube topic ideas, Google My Business event posts, short stories. And if I'll scroll it down, it would go and below, 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 and below, and below. So you can see there are a lot of the jobs that need years to learn, and you can do it all using AI with these tools without learning anything. And for each of these, what you can do is you can just select few of them, and you can provide these as services. Now I'm not going to tell you, like I'll be telling you about the Fiverr and Upwork, but I'm not going to tell you the only way is Fiverr and Upwork. I'll be telling you about other ways as well, but you will be using Fiverr to analyze that how much actually people are making using by providing the some of these services, and how much money can you make. So let's just say blog post. Okay, so article writing. Here you can see people are charging from $35 to $90 for simple articles, and here you can see there are a lot of the people providing these services. And if I'll go to this first one, here you can see this this profile is charging for a 500 words article $30. Let's say if I want 1,000 words article, if I want 1,000 word article, it would charge $55. And with the standard pack, here you can see 10x 500 blog post for $425. And like that's how much money you can make. And here in this tool, you just have to go to this tool, and you just have to type in a few commands, and this tool will generate all for you. Now let's say if I want to provide Amazon product description jobs. Okay, so I'll just go there, Amazon product description. Okay, and I'll just search for it, and here you can see people are charging $65, $100. Like I'll just go to this seller, and this seller has 6,000 and 6,000 plus reviews, and he is charging $65 for a product description. And here we'll come here. So here you just have to go to this tool, and I'll tell you that how you can generate product descriptions. But using this tool, you can generate descriptions easily. Now if I will just search for something else, like let's say YouTube video description. This is not a like a good in demand thing, but let's say I'll write in YouTube video description, and here you can see people are charging $5, $15, $30, $15, $35 for YouTube descriptions. And that's how much money you can make per order. And for that Amazon product description, if I'll just calculate it by if I'll do a bit of calculation, so it was for $65. Yep. And $65 multiplied by 6,000 reviews, and it is that's how much money that guy made. So this is just reviews, and almost less than 50% people reviews, and more than 50% people order and goes away without reviewing. And if it is $65 multiplied by 12,000 people, then it would be around $8,000. And this is but just by generating Amazon product descriptions. So that's how much money you can generate using these services, these small tools, and all these tools is what I'll be sharing with you in this course, that you can use and you can generate income. And this is just one of those tools. There are a lot other tools to generate other kind of things, and I'll be just telling you the art of using these tools. Now let's just get right into the next lecture. I think I have convinced you, and I have told you all about what you should expect from this course, and what you will be learning after this course, and what you would be getting after this course. Let's move on to the next one. Here in this lecture, I have something important to discuss, and before you just get right into the course, I would just strongly recommend you to watch this complete lecture, because this is the basis of using this course, utilizing this course. And if you now I'll tell you that how to use the course, because these are a few things that I really want to discuss with you. First of all, this is the dashboard where you will be learning the course. This is the this is how the course would be represented to you. And from here you can just switch the lectures, watch the lectures. From here you can track your progress. Then here if you'll come below in the Q&A section, you can ask any question you want, and I would just love to answer your question. Just come here, ask a new question, and if you have any, and I would love to answer your questions. Then from here you can just prepare your notes. You can add notes to any lectures, and all the notes would be there. Then here in the announcements, you will see all the announcements that I have made, and future announcements as well, because it would be a lot beneficial for you. Then here in reviews, you can check the reviews of people, what people says about this course. And then these are some of the learning tools. Now the most important thing for me and for other instructors is this rating thing. I would strongly recommend to rate this course with your like true and honest ratings, and with your true and honest comments. Go there, select the rating, and enter the honest comments here, so that it would motivate me if these are positive. If you have something to recommend me, you can just recommend me anything. That constructive criticism is really important, and you can just criticize this course. If there is something bad in this course, you can just motivate me if something is good in this course, and it would just really help me. And how it would help other students, your rating would be shown here in the reviews, and it would calculate, it would be just here the numbers would be shown, so that students can decide is this course for them or not. And from the reviews, they can see what are the comments of other students like you, and they can decide whether this course is for them or not, and whether they should enroll into this course or not. And your rating can help them decide if they have to just get this course, enroll into this course or not. So these were a few things, and I would really suggest you to do it all, and I'll see you in the practical part of the course. Welcome to the first section of this course. In this section, we will be covering AI content writing. This is AI content writing 1.0, and here we'll be covering some dedicated tools, and we'll be using those dedicated tools to generate different types of contents. Basically, this course has two parts: AI content writing 1.0 and AI content writing 2.0. In 2.0, it would be more professional and advanced. In 1.0, it's basically easy using dedicated tools. So let's just cover what's inside this section. First of all, we'll be setting up the playground. We'll be setting up the tools that are required, and we'll be signing up for the tool and how we can use that tool. Then we'll be talking about how we can write blogs using AI, then how you can write ad copies using AI, then how you can write e-commerce content using AI, social media content using AI, video content using AI, and at the end we'll be talking about write miscellaneous content using AI, because there are a lot other dedicated tools, like you can translate content, you can write song lyrics, and you can write a lot of things, and I'll be covering all that. Let's just dive into the section and learn more about it. In this lecture, we are going to set up the playground. Basically, I'll be telling you which tool we are going to use for AI content writing, copywriting, and all that stuff, and how you can just utilize that tool, how you can sign up for that tool, and all that stuff. So first of all, what you have to do is you just have to go to google.com. Here we are, and just type in webifydhub.com/CREAITOR, and you will get to that tool. This is basically the website where which we are going to use to create content for us. Now it's asking for some consent, so I'll just allow all. And now what you have to do is you just have to click on start free trial now. And after clicking on this, here we are on the registration page. Here you have to enter all your details. I'll enter all my details, my email, my other details, and I'm adding the password. So here's the password added, and just click on create account. And here you go, the account has been created. Now you will receive an email on a confirmation email on your email address. And here you go, I just got that verification email, so I'll just click on verify email address, then click on continue to site. It's basically problem with my network, that's why it's happening. Now you have a trial period of 3 days, and here you have all the plans. You can just play around with this tool, and if it works for you, you can use this tool. Now if you are thinking why this tool is paid, you want to use free tool, basically you will be making a lot from this tool, that only a few percentage of your income can just fill up all those things. The basic plan is only $9 per month, and I think you can afford it, and you can go with this plan. And best part is, to try this tool, you don't need to add any of your credit card, debit card details. So you can easily use this tool, play around with this tool. As I'll be telling you about finding clients as well, how you can find clients, then how you can do work for them. So it would not take time. You can start your fully fledged business, and you can monetize and get paid within the first week or maybe first month of that business. So you don't have to worry about these things, because you will have to pay for a lot of other things also when you will scale up. But for right now, for this course, for basic, this is only your investment. This is only investment of yours. But when you will scale it, you will scale it to 6 figures, 7 figures, or obviously you will have to hire some people, and you will have to buy some softwares as well, which includes bulk emailing, email marketing softwares, and other softwares. You will have to use those softwares, but for right now, this is the only investment you would have to do. But as you know, for first 3 days, you can use the basic plan. You can use all these things for free without giving any credit card, debit card, so you can go with it. Now this is basically the tool, and this is the tool we are going to use, and with this tool we'll be doing all that stuff. So this was all about setting up the playground. Now in next lectures, I'll tell you how you can use this tool, how you can utilize this tool, and when you will learn about all these things in this tool, then you will learn that how you can get clients, how you can monetize these skills, how you can monetize this tool, and get paid from like providing the services. Now let's just move on to the next lecture and learn more about it. In this lecture, you are going to learn about writing blogs using AI. We'll be using these AI tools to write blogs for us. Now, these are the fully customized AI tools, and you don't have to worry about any mistake, because these AI setups will help you. First of all, you just have to go to dashboard, and then just go to blog. And if you are a blogger already, then you know about the blog elements. But if you are not, don't worry, all the elements are listed here. Like you can create a blog intro, blog body, you can summarize your text, then you can generate stories, then blog outlines, and then you can also generate some blog ideas. If you don't have any ideas, then at the end, blog conclusions, and also some fiction story ideas. So I'll start from first one. So blog intro is basically the introduction to the blog. What is it, and what you will be covering. But before that, we'll be just using this tool, blog idea generator. So here Here, first of all, here you have to describe about your product or service or your blog, like what kind of blog you want to create. Like, let's say you don't have anything in your mind, and you ran out of ideas. You don't have any idea that like on which topic you want to create blog. Like, I would say, I want to create blog, or I want to create blog about finding, I'm sorry, amazing ways to find high ticket freelancing clients. Find, and in keyword you can add find clients, freelancing, and other stuff. Now from here you have to select the creativity. Let's say it should be high, and how many outputs? I just want one output. And a tone of voice should be SEO friendly and professional. Okay, and then your audience age, these are optionals, and if you don't want it, you can just leave it. And now I'll just click on create. And here you go. Here you got a lot of blog title ideas, like how to maximize your freelancing prospects and high landing clients, strategies for finding high ticket freelancing clients, then easy steps to connecting with high profitable clients, and a lot other ones. You can, if you will select multiple outputs, it would create multiple ones for you. And even on Fiverr and Upwork, there are jobs for providing your clients the blog generating ideas, blog titles. If you will go to Fiverr, you will see there are a lot jobs regarding blog ideas. Like blog, if you will search for blog ideas, you will here you can see there are a lot of people providing those services. Same is with other tools. We'll just go back, and then we have now idea. Sorry, here I think I just deleted it, no worries. So now we have idea, and now what you want to do is you want to create a blog intro. Again, go to blog, just go to blog intro, and here we can just create a blog intro, or you can create a blog outline. Now here you have to add the topic of your blog, or title of your blog, like how to, I want to create a blog on how to find high ticket, high ticket freelancing clients using Google Maps. Freelancing Google Maps clients. Okay, and then how many outputs do you want? I want 2 outputs. Then the it should be attractive, chatty, short. Okay, then 20 years, and I'll just click on create, and it would create some blog intros for you. Hey 20 something, or hey there 20 something freelancers. You can just remove this one. You'll have to looking for high ticket clients. Google Maps can be your best friend. It's not just for directions anymore. It can help you find the perfect clients for your freelancing business. Follow along with us to find how to use Google Maps to find best clients. Like, I think it's amazing. It's just like when I used this first time, it just took off my mind, because I just used this first time to help my friend, and I built for him the Amazon product descriptions. And I'm not a professional writer, so when I just told him and I just sent it to send those descriptions to him, he was amazed that, oh my god, AI have done this, and like he was amazed. So that's why I'm creating a complete course on this one, that like this tool has a lot of potential. Now when you have generated the blog intro, then go to the blog body. Here you can just create the blog body. Now here write about your topic up to 2000. Now here in blog body you can create a complete blog article. So up to 2000 words article on how to find high ticket clients from Google Maps. Here you can add any brand or company, and like I'll say Google Maps. Then freelancing. In keywords, add some keywords. These are optional things, but you can add these things. High ticket clients, and that's all. And here it should be professional. And then I want 3 outputs. It should be high, and when I'll just click on create, it would just generate 2 blog posts for me. And like it would take a few seconds, and it would generate the complete blog post for me. And here you can see it generated the complete blog post for me, how to, as a freelancer, what exactly is so you have the complete guide on how you can find high ticket clients on Google Maps. Now these are the results what you got, and you can get it to your send it to your clients. And when I just copied this text generated by AI and I just pasted it here, and here you can see with the plagiarism checker, this is 100% unique. Bro, I think we even ourselves cannot generate 100% unique content, and this AI tool is generating 100% unique content. Now you can get this content and get provide it to your clients. Now you have 3 to 4 multiple copies. You can check it, review it, and anything that works for you, you can provide it. And I have showed you that for article writers, writing a 700 to 800 words article is ranges from $100 to $1,000. So it depends on you what type of clients you get, and you can charge according to that. And that is how easy it is to generate an article. Now we will just go back, and I think I just missed something. I just forget to copy, but I think I have copied it. Now here we have talked about these things, but let's just go to this blog, and here is the text summarizer. Here you can summarize the text. If you want to make an outline yourself, then you can add text here. And then what you can do is, I'll just make it this one. I'll make it friendly, professional, and I'll just click on create, and it would summarize the complete text and would give you a text in the short form. Here you can see it summarized the text, and it just gave you summarized the complete body and gave you a small text like find high ticket clients using Google Maps, research local maps. Now summarize text. And here you can see there are a lot text summarization books, gigs who are charging around $45 from starting, and you know it just ranges above and above. Like I'll just only search for summarize. And here you can see here you can see $235 and $30, $20, and then $200. And you can see like these are all the amounts for just text summarization. You can use this tool to provide these services anywhere where you get opportunity. But I'm showing you Fiverr because here everything is open. I can show you everything, what is working, what are the rates, what are the charges. And then even you can show your clients that these are the charges and all stuff. Now after that, here you can see here's a sports report, then short story. You can get a short story written, and you will just have to go there, and here you can just type in some context like my name is Khadeen, and I'll just type in my brother Amin. He's my brother, a younger brother. So Khadeen and Amin are brothers and entrepreneurs of 21st century. Khadeen is a content creator on YouTube and Udemy, and Amin owns his digital agency. So I'll just type these things, this information, and then you just have to give some details to AI. I want to make it high creative, and then I want just two outputs. Then it should be friendly, then retentive. So what age? 25 years or audience. Then just click on create, and it would create a complete short story for you with the Amin and Khadeen as characters, like here at 24 years old. You can just remove it. This is because I just added this thing here. You can just remove it. Welcome to 21st century, a whole new world of opportunities. We would like to introduce you to true brothers, Khadeen and Amin. There are entrepreneurs of modern age of contributing to society. Khadeen is a content creator, and blah 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 blah. And here you can see this is the story generated by AI. Now, if you want to sell these stories, like here, you can just search for a short story, and you will get a lot of the gigs here who are just providing these services. So I'll just search for short stories, and here you can see people are charging $50, $100, $60 for short stories, and you can generate amazing short stories using this tool. Now I'll just go back and then again to blog, and after going to blog, here you can see the fiction story idea. And now if you don't have any story idea, then you can, like blog idea, you can generate a story idea, or you want to generate a conclusion for the blog, then here put the complete body of that blog. I'll just put the complete body of the blog, and then I'll make it high, and I just want one output. It should be a we can say it should be measurable and with facts. Okay, and then I don't want to add the age, and I'll just click on create. And here you will see, guess what, it created the complete conclusion for us, which you can add at the end of the blog. Now what you can do is you can just go to docs.google.com. There, what you can do is you can first of all you can generate the title, and first of all you can generate the ideas. You can write down all the ideas, then you can write here the title, then name it body, and you can add the complete body, and then this is the conclusion. This is basically the conclusion. So I'll just copy this conclusion, and here I'll just add it as conclusion, and I'll just paste the conclusion here. Then you can make it bold, italic, or highlighted. Now you know how to use Google Docs, or you can, if you know how to use Microsoft Word, you can use that as well. Now this is the title basically. This is the title, and here I'll just give a headline of title. And here I go. So these are all the things that are general in blogs, and we generated all those things. But don't worry, because in 2.0 section, I'll be telling you that how you can generate the things that are not listed here, how you can create your own commands, how you can give your own commands to AI, and AI will generate the complete things for you. Now, this was all about this lecture. That's how you can generate amazing things using this AI blog builder. Here you have a lot other things you can play around with, but I think we have done with all. But here's one thing left, that is blog outline. So basically how this outline thing works is, or how you can use this, or what are its use cases is, basically when you just give a command to AI produce a content for you, but it cannot produce like 2000, 3000, 4000 words article for you. It's a lot hard. And right now I think it's not possible. I'm trying it. It's not working. But what you can do is, if you want to generate a high amount of content, you know about content writing, or even you don't know, what you can do is you can generate an outline. Just give AI the topic. I just copied the whole stuff. So give this AI a title, then product or service, say Google Maps, and then make it optimal, highly optimal, or medium optimal, then how much outputs you want, and SEO friendly, professional, and then just click on create. I'll tell you about the complete process, how it works. So here you go. You got the complete outline for blog. First of all, definition of high ticket clients, benefits of using uh, using maps to find high ticket clients, blah 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 blah. So now you have the complete outline. You can just copy this outline, paste it here somewhere in this Google Docs. First of all, you can just go to body generator where it generates the body for you, or intro for you. So you can just go to blog body generator, and there you can first of all you can add definition of high ticket clients and paste it here. It would generate the complete content for you. You can add it there. Then benefits of using Google Maps, then step by step guide, then how to set up Google Maps account, identify your target market, use Google Maps to find high ticket clients, blah blah blah. So you can just make each step a title, just paste it here. This tool will generate the body for you, and you can give body to each of the outline here. So that's how it works. And these are there are a lot tools. Obviously you have seen about these tools, and if maybe most of you people are have started trying other things as well, like digital ad, e-commerce, social media, video. But I just want to tell you about each and everything, how these things works, what are the use cases, because the main thing is use cases. You should know about the use cases, and that's why I'm telling you about these all things in this way. Now these are a few tools, and you can utilize these tools. And then I'll also tell you in next lecture, I'll tell you about other use cases, like all these use cases as well. So that was all about this lecture. But if you think I missed anything, because I'm not a professional writer, and I'm just entrepreneur, I want to teach you that how you can utilize AI and that tech stuff to just generate money, and it's working for some people. I have personal success stories as well whom I know. So that's why I just showed it to you. But if I miss something, you can ask me in the Q&A panel, and I would love to tell you or I would love to answer you. And if you think something is missing, you can also tell me about it. Let's move on to the next lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss that how you can create your ads using this tool. Now, there are a lot of the gigs on Fiverr to create ads. Now, if you will go to fiverr.com, and if you will go to this tool, you will see you can create in digital ads, you can create Facebook ad titles, Facebook ad text, Google ad titles, Pinterest ad titles, and ad titles for almost all the platforms. And if you search here for Facebook ad copy, and people are charging from $25, $40 from start, and then $230 and $65 for this Facebook ad copy, these two things. So you can write a Facebook ad title along with Facebook ad text, and you can charge that much. Now I am not telling it like you can provide services on Fiverr, because there is too much saturation, but I'll tell you that how you can get clients for these ad copy services as well. Now we'll explore these things, or these services, how we can use this. First of all, we have this Facebook ad title. Now what you have to do is you just have to get a description of that product from your client, and you just have to give description here. Now I'll just write here about my web design agency. So Webified Hub is a digital marketing and web design agency, and then I'll write an ad title for web design and digital marketing services. Okay, and here I'll also add web design, digital marketing, and what we can add, like you have write a short and professional ad title for web design and digital marketing services for restaurants. Let's say I want to create an ad for restaurants, and then here I can say friendly, and I'll just click on and then creativity should be high, and then how much outputs I want, I'll just click on create. And here you can see Webified Hub. I'll just remove this friendly because I think it doesn't work. So again. So Webify Hub, professional web design and digital marketing for restaurants. Unlock your restaurant digital potential with Webify Hub, web design and digital marketing services. Grow your restaurants with Webify Hub, professional web design and digital marketing solutions. Then you can click on select 5 and create more add copies with it. Or what you can do is, if you want to do it max, you can do it max and click on create, and it would grow your restaurant's presence with Webify Hub, digital marketing and web design. So like you have 5 copies now, and you can provide these 5 copies to get paid. Now if this is the service, let's say this is the service which is on number 1, so I'll just go to this service. And here this seller is charging $25 for 1 ad copy only, and for 3 ad copies and 1 image suggestion, it is charging this seller is charging $75, but you have 5 ad copies built using this one. Now you can just copy this one, and you can just go back, and with the same one, what you can do is with the same way, you have to write an introduction. Just go to Facebook ad text if you want to generate a Facebook ad text. And here write a short and professional, write a short ad text for web design and digital marketing services for restaurants. Then I'll just click on create, and it would create a ad copy, ad text for me as well. Create a perfect web presence for your restaurant with Webify Hub, our digital marketing and web blah 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 blah. So here you can see you can generate it with the max creativity potential as well, and it would be like more creative and stuff. And like, are you a restaurant owner who needs help with digital marketing and web design services? Now what you can do is you can enable emojis as well, because this is an ad copy, so I want emojis as well. So you can add some emojis, get your restaurant in no time with Webify Hub, online in no time in Webify Hub. Our team of web design and digital marketing experts can create you an alluring web online presence for your restaurant, so that you can so there you can see the professional ad text is generated using this. And this is what you will be charging, providing these ad copies. Now this is just for the Facebook, but if you will go back, you have this for Google ad text. You have to do same for all the types of titles and copies, like you have Snapchat ad title, you have Taboola ad text, Google ad title, Yandex. But if now there's not a platform for Instagram, or let's say for Quora, but I'll tell you in the next part, which is content writing 2.0, that how you can generate the ad titles and ad copies for those platforms, because you can also do that, but it's a bit tricky and professional, so you will have to be a bit advanced in that stuff, so that you can use that platform, that open platform. But for right now, I just want to, in this part of the course content writing 1.0, I just want to share with you only the ones who are dedicated, the dedicated programmed services which you can use to get the dedicated ads. That was all about this lecture. See you in the next one. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about writing e-commerce descriptions using this AI tool. When you will go to this e-commerce stuff, you can create Amazon product descriptions, Shopify product descriptions, and product reviews. And if we'll go to Fiverr.com, you will see, if I'll say Amazon product description, people are charging $45, $65, $45, $25, $200 starting. Okay, and if you will just click on this one, and you will go to the premium one, it's $600 for 3 listings and $200 for 1 product. Okay, and now we'll just go here and just click on this Amazon product descriptions, and here you will see an amazing magic. Okay, so first of all, here's the product description, and then here you have to give the details. So there are 2 scenarios. First of all, client gives you the rough details, and you just customize those details and put it here. Or what you do is, client basically gives you all the product details, and what you have to do is, as I told you before, that I first used this tool when I just created a product description for my friend, and this was the product description requirements from the clients. These were the requirements from the client, like 5 bullet points, 150 to 200 characters, and the second one is a description of about 2000 characters, So I'll just copy it, cut it, and I'll just paste it at the top, and then this. And then here you can add the product name. What is the product name? Product name is basically rust prevention dual rifle case. Rust prevention dual rifle case. Then here it should be optimal or high max. You can select it, how much outputs do you want, and here I'll select SEO friendly. Okay, and then if you want to add emojis, you can add it, or you can just leave it. Just click on create. And here you go. So it created the complete bullet points and each and everything for us. These are the bullet points, and these are the product descriptions got created. Now, if you will check it in plagiarism tool, it would tell you there's zero plagiarism. And if you want to remove this one, you can remove it. And this is honestly, I just gave it to my friend, and he just said it's amazing. He's a professional writer. He knows about all that content writing and SEO stuff, and he said it's amazing, and he just liked it a lot. And he just asked me which tool you are using, and I just told him that this is the tool, but it is paid. And he said no worries, like it's just saving me a lot of time. I would have to spend hours in creating that kind of a description, and this tool just created in minutes for me. And here you can see we have everything written in bullets and in description, and we can just copy these things. We can just paste it in Google Docs. So we can copy and paste all these three in Google Docs, and then you can just analyze it humanly, which one is good for you. And then what you can do is, like, let me just paste it here. So this is the first one, then this is the second one, and this is the third one. So I'll just copy it and I'll just paste it. So here you go. So what you can do is now you can just have a look at it. You can read it, and if you like something, you can get from the other one. So you can just prepare a description from it, and or what you can do is you can just copy the description you like, just send it to your client and get paid. That's how you can create amazing product descriptions. Same is the case with the other stuff. Like we'll go there, and in e-commerce, here's the Shopify product descriptions, Amazon product description, or you want to create a product review as well, you can write a product review. So write a product review, a 5-star and fully satisfied product review for my WordPress freelancing course on Udemy. And then I'll here type in a WordPress freelancing course on Udemy, and then I'll just click on create. Here you go. I recently completed the WordPress freelancing course on Udemy, and I'm delighted with the results. The course is with incredible sources, how you can set up your own freelancing business and all that stuff. Like, can you imagine? This is done using AI. You don't have to do anything, and you can write the reviews. Or what you can do is, you want to write a description, just go to this one, product description, and I'll say write a description for my, or you can say WordPress freelancing course, and here I'll type in WordPress freelancing course, or I can add only WordPress. Okay, and then I'll just click on create. No tones, nothing else. and it generated a description for me. And then WordPress freelancing course, and I'll say 2000 up to 2000 words description for WordPress freelancing course on Udemy. Just click on create, and it would generate a complete description for a WordPress freelancing course. And here you can see it generated. So that's how you can just generate amazing product descriptions for any kind of product, for Shopify products, for any other Amazon products, or for your e-commerce store. Just add the specifications of your products, add the requirements, and it would generate the complete product descriptions for you. So that's how easy it is to generate the product descriptions using this AI tool. You can provide these product description services on this platform, or I'll tell you how you can find the clients. That was all about this lecture. See you in the next one. In this lecture, we are going to discuss that how you can create amazing social media posts using that tool appcreator.ai. Okay, so first of all, you have to go to social media. Now to create pictures, you would have to use some tools like Canva. So to use Canva, you can just go directly to webifiedhub.com/Canva, or what you can do is you can just search for Canva on Google, and it would take you to that Canva's website. There you can create awesome graphics, and then to create amazing Facebook copies, Instagram copies, or Twitter posts, you can use this tool. Now, if you want to create your photo post caption, Pinterest pin title, Pinterest descriptions, LinkedIn post. Now, LinkedIn post is amazing thing. So if we will go there, and I'll just go to Fiverr. Again, I'm just showing you the rates, like LinkedIn post description, let's say. Okay, if I'll search for it, you can see people are charging $15, $20, $100, and write your social media post $100, $50, or let's say social media posts. Writing 50, 100, 55, 100, and it goes on and on. So what you just have to do is, let's say we are here on social media. I'll just click on LinkedIn post, and I'll say I recently completed 4,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel Grow with Dean, and I'll just give no description, because a lot of people don't want to give a lot description, so I'll just make it that way. Then here I'll say professional, then I'll just click on create. And I'm thrilled to announce that I recently reached an exciting milestone, 4,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. For the past 3 years, growth here, blah, blah, blah. So here you can see, because this tool knows the nature of LinkedIn. On LinkedIn, you have to publish a big post with larger post with more words, and it just created a post with 1,200 characters, 1,100 characters, 1,000 characters. Then I just copy this same one, and I'll just go back. And if I will go to social media, and I will click on this Pinterest pin title, and here when I'll just tell about the pin, and I'll give no description, I'll just click on create. And here you go, it just got a Pinterest pin title for me, celebrating 4,000 subscribers on Grow with Khadeen's YouTube channel. You didn't give any command, but it just generated a Pinterest pin title that is according to Pinterest, that is short and all sweet. Okay, achievement unlocked, 4,000 subscribers on Grow with Khadeen YouTube channel. Now again, I'll just go back, and I will go to social media, and here if you will Reddit post caption or Slack text message or TikTok bio, let's say I will add this one, and I am Udemy instructor with 70k plus students, YouTuber with 4k plus subscribers, and digital marketer. So this is a rough description that I gave him. This tool, I'll click on Max, I'll click on create, and I'll also add emojis here, and I'll just again click on create. I just forgot to add my name, so I'll just add my name as well. I'm Khadeen Akbar, Udemy instructor, blah blah blah. So I'll just click on this generate now. And Khadeen Akbar is educational and educator and digital marketer who is dedicated to helping students and entrepreneurs alike reach their full potential, with over 70,000 students enrolled in Udemy courses, 4,000 subscribers, and wealth of marketing experience. Khadeen has helped countless people improve their lives and blah blah blah. Khadeen Akbar, okay, and here I'll just remove my name, and again I'll just click on create, and it would generate a complete detail for me, a complete bio for me. Without the name, I am Udemy instructor, YouTuber, and digital marketer, and like it generated the complete complete biodata of me, and that's how it works. You can copy it and you can paste it on YouTube. So that's why you can just create a TikTok bio. Now I'll just search for TikTok bio or Instagram bio or these kind of things, and here you can see, oh my god. And then I'll say Instagram bio, and people are charging $10, $20 for the Instagram bios and TikTok bios, and here you can see people are providing all these services. Now after that, if we'll come back, there are a lot other features, and these are the pre-made features with which you require no technicality or these kind of things. Then you can create your personal bio, Facebook captions, and a lot other things, and you can create these things and you can provide these services on Fiverr or other platforms as well. I'll tell you about those things as well. That was all about this lecture. See you in the next one. This lecture is completely dedicated to video stuff like YouTube and TikTok and all that kind of stuff. So basically in this video, we are going to talk about this video stuff, how you can create video titles, video descriptions, topic ideas, YouTube script outlines, and webinar title ideas. Now, if you'll go to Google and you will search, Fiverr, and you will search for YouTube video script, here you will see $60, $10, $45, $115, and a lot of things. Now, if you will go there, this profile, it's a script for just 30 to 40 seconds video, and it's $115 for. But the premium one is just 2 to 3 minutes video script, and it's $295, and it's just 3 to 450 words. But here you can generate these kind of scripts within around a minute. Now, first of all, we'll just go there, and what topic should be the videos about. It should be about freelancing in 2023, and I'll just click on create. And here you got the title ideas, like what will freelancing look like in top trends shaping in 2023, the benefits of freelancing, how to get started in freelancing, the pros and cons of freelancing, advantages of specializing as freelancer, and a lot of other stuff. Now, if you will just copy one of these ideas, now let's say this is the idea. Now, if you will go there, YouTube video idea, okay, and if you will search for it, here are people providing the content ideas and charging around $30. This is from start, and this is how you can just generate a video idea and tens of video ideas. Now again, we'll go to video, and let's say you want to create a video description, so a script. So what I'll do is I'll just go to this script outline, and I'll just add the topic, and I'll just click on create. And here you go, it generated the complete script outline for us, the complete detailed script for us, and 3 different types of script for us. And if I'll say max and I'll just click on create, and it would just generate other type of script. And if I'll type in friendly or professional here, let's say I'll type in friendly here, so the script would be more friendly and chatty. I'll just select this and I'll just click on create, and it would just generate a complete script outline for us. And for a script outline, you can charge around $25 to $30 and more than that as well. And I'll also tell you that how you can generate the scripts as well. Now here you have the detailed scripts and all that stuff, and you can just utilize these things. Now when you will get back here in the video stuff, you can just go to the YouTube video description, and you can give the title and generate a description. Then you have webinar title, ideas, just what this webinar is about. Just click on create, and it would give the amazing ideas to you, like reach new heights of success in 2023, tips for growing your freelance business, and these kind of stuff. And this is highly paid skill, which is copywriting, and this platform is providing you for free. You don't have to pay a lot, you don't have to learn a lot. You can just use this tool and you can utilize this opportunity. So that's how this all works. That was all about this video stuff. See you in the next lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss something really creative. Now, we have talked about blogging, we have talked about ad copies, e-commerce, social media, and video content. But there's another section, which is this writer section. Now, basically, this tool, Creator.ai, is using a third-party API, third-party AI system, and is programming it. So it has made it using that AI stuff a lot easy by adding their own programs into AI, so we can use it easily. And here are different modules. Now these are some of the professional modules, but there are some other modules as well, and you can utilize those modules. Here you can see, when you will go to writer, there are headline, you can create headlines, text summaries, content, you can improve content and text, and then you can create stories, testimonials, company bios, company content rewrite. You can rewrite a content if you want, then you can paraphrase a content, then you can create some cool interview questions, resumes, job descriptions, facts, love letters, oh my god, answer to questions, conclusions, song lyrics, food recipes, and a lot other. And the company is adding more by time. Now if you will just go to this, paraphrase the content, and you will paste some content here, or what you can do is you can just copy some of the content and you can just paste the content here. Or you can, if you want to generate an email, you can just go there and write a cold email to restaurant for web design services. Okay, so I just ask this, I'll just click on create, and it generated dear whatever the name is. My name is, and I am the owner of a web design company that specializes in websites for restaurants. We understand that the success of any restaurant depends heavily on the online presence, and blah blah blah. And it created the complete email, and it is a professional email. If you are not an email like web design professional and you just know email writing, you cannot generate that much professional email. And if you go there and you'll search for email copywriting, you will see people are charging 60, 70, and like hundreds of dollars for this service. And you can use this tool to create this kind of awesome stuff. This is AI can help you a lot, and I think this is amazing. And when the upgrade will come, that the next AI upgrade will come, it would become more efficient. Right now it's super efficient, but it would be even more efficient after the updates. Updates will come by time, and you will see much more. Like this course would be relevant after after time, after 5 years, because AI is the future. And if you are having watching this course after 5 years, I think now it is a lot improved. But before that, even right now, when I'm creating this course, it's amazing. You can create conclusions, creative letters, poems, and you can. I'll just go there. Write a poem on Khadeen Akbar, who is a content creator and freelance digital. I'm just doing some crazy things. Marketer. Just click on create. Khadeen Akbar, content creator, supreme, marketing master, digital dreamer, her team. Oh my God. And here you can add his visions and strategies she crafts. And I can say he is a content creator because AI misunderstood the name, and AI couldn't find that if he is her or him. So I'll just recreate it, Khadeen, and that helps to craft contents that greatly smarter, from conceptualizing to executing the plan. You can be sure his work will make your brand stand. His eye for detail and his passion for art help to craft content that's truly smart. He knows just how to get that job done, whether it's for the web or in print. That he is the one. His skill is content creation are far from few. He will make sure your content reaches the view. Khadeen Akbar, content creator and marketer, helps to craft content that's greatly smarter. Oh my God, this is just fun, but I think it's amazing. I think just it's amazing. It's crazy. Then you can create a lot awesome stuff like photo post captions and a lot other things. When you will go to this writer, you can create company bios, even food recipe. You'll go there and you will say, I'll type in some sauce, chili, potato, oil, and let's say garlic. These are the things, and I'll just click on create. I don't know anything about cooking. I don't know anything about cooking, and I have never been into kitchen cooking. Like I can make some tea or coffee, and that's all, nothing more than that. But here you can see I just typed in some ingredients that I have, and if I don't know about anything, and it did all for me. It just created the complete recipe for me. And you can sell these recipes in the form of apps or these kind of things, and there are a lot use cases, but AI generated it all for you, and these are yours. This is not a copied recipe, and here you can see it just did it. Now that's how you can use this content, like these modules to create the stuff. But in the next part, obviously we'll be discussing, there would be open form for you. You just have to give the guidelines to AI and it would generate for you. But these are the pre-made things. You can utilize these pre-made things to improve the text. To let's say if I click on improve, content improve, I'll just paste this short title. I'll just click on create, and it would create the it would improve the content for me. So I'm just rewriting it, and here you go. It just improved the content for me. So that's how you can utilize this platform. You can utilize this tool to generate amazing content, whether it is a blog, digital ad copy, e-commerce content, social media video, or any other kind of content. This was all about this lecture. See you in the next one. After AI content writing 1.0, now we are at AI content writing 2.0, where we will be going with the content writing more in advanced and more professional. So let's just cover what's inside this section. First of all, I'll be talking about AI assistant, how it works, what are the use cases of AI assistant. Then I'll tell you about the most amazing thing, which is open form, where you can write anything using AI. You can create your own personalized commands. You can give these commands to this AI, and this AI will generate results for you. Like, let's say if you don't have Instagram captions generated for you. So what you can do is you can create your own command in open form, and you can generate Instagram captions as well. Then we will talk about text translator as well, how it works and how we can translate content complete professionally, and what are the use cases of these translations, how it can help you, how it can be monetized and all that stuff. So let's just jump right into that section. This lecture of the course is the most important lecture of the course, because in this lecture we are going to discussing the open form, which is a playground open field to test AI, to create anything using AI. And you can just generate each and everything or anything you want using AI, but you should have a grip on commands. You should know how to use commands and how to utilize it. Basically what you have to do is, first of all, here you just have to go to this open form, and here in open form you have to just type anything and it would generate the results for you. You are not limited to any kind of thing, like what should be the words and like anything. You are not bound to anything. You can generate anything. Like, let's say what I'll do is I'll just ask this tool to how I can test it. So I'll just ask this tool, write some commands and ideas to test this tool, as I am a content writer. I'm asking this tool to tell me some of the ideas to test this tool if I am a content writer. So I'll just click on create. Here you have to be a bit creative to generate awesome kind of stuff. So I'll just click on create, and it would generate something amazing for me. So test this tool's ability to create a content that is engaging, informative, and use this tool to generate, I think I should say, commands. And I'll just click on create, and basically it just generated write a sentence, or and here you go. So here you can see create a new project, and it is giving me some of other things. Check a specific file name for any potential errors and a lot other things. Now I'll say I am a freelance content writer, so you have to play around with it. A lot of your commands will go false, would be misunderstood, but a lot of the things is what you will get are amazing things. So you can check the word count, you can run a spell check, like you can do a lot. Now generate a report on my last article, or show me a list of most commonly used words, and a lot other things. Now I'll just say, ask this tool, generate a bio on myself if I am a Udemy instructor and a digital a YouTuber teaching entrepreneurship, freelancing, and passive income stuff. So I just asked this tool about this. Now what you have to do is you just have to be a bit creative, bit more creative. Entrepreneurship. Okay. So here you have to be a bit creative. Make this bio a bit professional and friendly. Make it up to 250 words. I want to use this bio on my TikTok profile. I have over 70,000 students on Udemy. I am also an ex-freelancer. So this is all about me. You just have to give some rough commands to this tool. Just click on create. And this tool will generate a complete bio for you. So here you can see these are the bios. I made it 250 words. So if I'll say 250 characters, it will make according to 250 characters only. So I'll just make it 250 characters. Hi, I am an experienced Udemy instructor and YouTuber teaching about entrepreneurship, freelancing, and passive income. I have over 70K students and I am an ex-freelancer. Join me and learn how to reach your business goals and become financially free. I think it's amazing. This tool is amazing. You can utilize this tool and you can generate anything here. Now, how you can use this tool? Let's say on Fiverr or on Upwork. Let's say you'll go on Upwork. Okay, you will go on Upwork. If you will go on Upwork, I'll just sign in first of all. So when you will go on Upwork, you will have a chance to see some of the blog post, some of the job post where people are asking, writing me an article for this, or for that. And what you can do is you can just copy the complete description and you can just paste it here. So I'll search for content writing, let's say. Now, when you will come here, you will see social media content creator. Okay, so I'll just click on this job and I'll just copy this one and I'll just paste it here. And I'll just now I am not doing anything and I just copied and pasted it here. And I think what it did, you just have to rewrite it a bit. Like, we have lots of social media pages that we are looking for savvy creator. Okay, so I think I misunderstood this. So copywriting, editing, book writer or publisher needed, and here you can just you just have to just copy this script and you just have to paste it here according to you. You just have to rephrase it as you are telling this tool to do it for me, and you just have to rephrase it a bit. Okay, and what this tool will do is this tool will do the complete description for you, as I told you regarding that that thing, that Amazon product thing I did. I just copied and pasted the complete description and it generated for me. So what you can do is you can just get the description from your client, like he wants to write an email marketing copy or email marketing sequence. Write me an email marketing sequence for a cold email campaign for, let's say, web design services for restaurants. Okay, and I'll do it. I'll just make it max at max and I'll just say write, please write it, and it would write the complete email sequences for me. So here you are going, and here you go. So this one, and it generated the complete email sequence for me. First email, then second email, then the third. These are the two emails. Then here are the three emails as well. So first email is just with one email. Then the second email, then the second copy is with the two emails. The third copy is with the three emails, and that's how you can just create amazing email sequences or anything you want here. Or you can write Instagram post ideas for me, as I am a Udemy. I am teaching about freelancing, entrepreneurship, and passive income. Okay, so I'll just type in this. I'll just click on create, and it would create some of the post ideas for me, which I can create or which I can generate. So let's see what happens. Are you interested in becoming a freelancer, entrepreneur, or passive income streams? If yes, follow my journey to discover the best tips and tricks to do. Oh my God, take your side hustle to the next level. And I think it's amazing. You can just ask your clients what you are looking for. Just come here, just paste it, and it would do it for you. And that's how you can just use this open form. You can utilize this open form to create, do any kind of thing. That was all about this lecture. See you in the next one. The next tool in this lecture we are going to cover is obviously the text translator, and even you can use the Google Translator as well, but this translator seems a bit professional, and you can utilize this for the professional and freelance translation tasks. So let's say you just go to translator And here you can it's really easy. First of all, you have to select the language you want to translate, then which language you want to translate it to. So here you have some limited language. The reason is because this is basically the professional translator using some other methods to translate that stuff, so it can be more professional and can be more accurate. Now let's say I just want to translate into Hindi. I'll just select it, I'll just paste it, and I'll just click on create, and it just translated it completely to Hindi. And now let's say I'll just copy this text, and now I will just translate it from where the Hindi goes. Here is the Hindi, and now I want to translate it from Hindi to English. So I will just go there, English. Now I'll just paste the complete content here, create, and it would translate for us. So here you go. We just translated from Hindi to CZAC, and it just translated from Hindi to CZAC. Now, if we want to just translate this CZAC to English, we can translate it. You can do it. And if it is your language, you can just try it. It's a free trial. You can without the cart stuff. So you can try it, and if, you can compare this translator with Google Translate. If it works best for you, you can utilize this, because this is for professional use, and you can utilize this translator. That's how you can just translate text from any language, not any language, but there are a few languages which are using those AI models. So if you want to translate those languages, you can easily translate those languages. That was all about this lecture. See you in the next one. Hello and welcome to content auditing section, where we will be auditing the complete content. We can audit documents regarding SEO friendliness or user friendliness, or the quality of the content. And well, let's just cover what's inside this complete section. So first of all, we'll be covering the content editor, then how we can audit the documents, and how we can audit the documents according to SEO, how we can improve the SEO of a text, or of a paragraph, or of a post, and how you can do it all. So let's just deep dive into this lecture, this section. In this lecture, we are going to use our content editor, and how you can utilize it, how you can do all that editing stuff, and how you can audit your content using that content editor. So first of all, what you have to do is you just have to go to this editor, and here in the editor, this is basically the editor. Now here you have two options. You can add your own content, or what you can do is you can add already added content, and here you can just put it. Now I have a blog post on making money online, so I'll just add this blog post here. Now what you can do is, if you are a blogger, or if you are willing to write a blog, what you can do is you can make your blog SEO friendly using this tool. Now this is basically the blog. Here you have to add the focus key phrase. Now after you generated the blog using that AI blog post generator, this created AI blog post generator, then my focus key phrase was make money online, so I'll just add my focus key phrase. Then here you have some things like add focus key phrase to SEO title. Now here are some of the changes that you have to make to make your post SEO friendly. Now first of all, and here you have some of the additional things as well. Now what you have to do is you just have to follow all these things, and you just have to audit the complete document to make it SEO friendly, reader friendly, and all that. Okay, so first of all, the basic SEO, add focus key phrase to the title. Here are the focus titles, meta titles. So make best ways to make money online for students in 2023. Now this one is solved. Add it to your meta description. So we'll keep it here. Find the best ways to 2023, so you can get out of that 9 to 5 grinding. Okay, So and then here like you have all the things, like content should be 600 words long to 500 words, but my content is only 450 words or something like that. So you can improve it. Then you have this content should be sorry, use focus keyword in your content. Now focus keyword is not used in the being used in the content, so you have to use that focus keyword in the content. uh, Being a student is not hard, blah, blah, blah. Make money online, it's used, but you have to use it frequently. So found some of the places where you can just add this focus key phrase, make money online. Or what you can do is you can just turn this key phrase to make money only. And then here are some of the additional settings like h1s. Use focus keyword in subheadings. First of all, we'll add the h2 tags on these ones. Now, if you don't know about H2, H1, so these are like levels of heading. First, top heading is H1, which is in the title. Then H2, which is in the like these points. And then if there are sub points as well, then you can use the H3. Okay. And now we have just utilized it. And from following these, what you can do is you can just edit the complete document of yours, and you can make it SEO friendly if you want to provide it to your client with some SEO friendly parameters. Now, use focus key phrase in the beginning of content. Being student is hard, but you can make money online, okay, as a student. Then this is only left, and I think we cannot improve that because I had only 400 words content. So what you can do is you can just increase the number of the content. Then here you have use focus key phrase in the subheadings. So take surveys to make money online. Now this is also improved. Now here what you have to do is you just have to add some kind of image here. This would be added by the client itself. You don't have to worry about it. Key focus keyword is in link. So here in meta, here you have the link. So here you should add the slug, make money online for students. Then aim for 1% keyword density. So keyword density should be 1%. Is that less than that, so you have to add this phrase make money more often, so that you can achieve this. And then you have this readability issue, and it's asking everything is good. It's just asking to add a few images that would be added by the client itself, or if you want to add images, you can add the images as well. After that, what you can do is you can just save this document. And after saving this document, you can export it into the PDF. And that's how it all works. That was all about this lecture. After like here, let's just say I'll just click on export PDF. It would be exported. Now you can send this PDF document to your client in the form of content. Okay. And that was all about this lecture. See you in the next one. Welcome to the most important section of this course, and most of you enrolled into this course only for this section, because this section is unique and this section covers something that is covered nowhere. And I'll tell you about the secret ways to find clients and business for your content writing, or if you have any other business. So what's covered inside it? First of all, I'll tell you that how you can get jobs from Fiverr and Upwork. Then I'll tell you that how you can utilize job search websites to find the jobs and the clients. And then I will tell you that how you can get clients using Facebook, Facebook ads library. It is pro. And then I'll tell you that how you can find clients using Google, then find clients using Facebook, then find clients using Instagram, and then how you can find clients using Google Maps. So let's just get right into the section and learn all these ways to find high ticket clients and like monetize your business using that finding clients. So let's just get right into it.
This lecture is the most important lecture of the course because in this lecture I am going to show you the best method to find clients that I use, and around 60 to 70% of my income is coming from this method to find clients, and that is cold email outreach using Instantly AI. I'm using this software basically. So here you can see in last 4 weeks I was able to generate around $250,000 worth of opportunities. I sent around 2,000 emails and got around 15% reply rate. So this is what I got, and you can get the same results and a big amount of clients using this single method. And the process is really simple. What you have to do is you just have to go to course, and here in resources you will find all the important links, and click on this get Instantly AI, and you will be redirected to Instantly AI landing page, and you will get a 14 days free trial, and 2 email inboxes for free, and also 25 leads for free. So this is the tool. This tool will help you to find the qualified leads for like qualified leads as per the technologies they are using or whatever, and like this tool would use the AI to help you generate leads and then send emails to those leads as well. This software will do it all for you. And if we talk about its pricing, you just go to their pricing, and here you can see they just start from, if we go monthly, they just start from $37 per month to $97 per month, where you can send set up unlimited email accounts, unlimited warm-ups. You can add 25,000 leads, and you can send up to 100,000 monthly emails. And this is the lead finder, which is around $47 per month, and you can generate get 1,000 verified leads per month using this plan, and using this plan you can get 10,000. So this is about their plan, and now I'll hit get started after the going to link below, and here I would have to add my name, Khadeen Akbar. Then I will have to add the email and password, and here you go. I just added the email and password, and I'll hit join now, and then I'll just fill in this survey. And now we have to verify the email. Now on the email that you added, you will get a verification email, and you have to verify your account with that. And after verification, you can see you just got the 14 days free trial, and here is the complete overview of the tool. This is the lead finder. Then here you can add your email accounts. Here are the campaigns. Then here is the Unibox, where you can manage all your emails and replies. Then analytics, then your lead management, and Instantly Accelerator. This is the complete course on Instantly. Like if you have any problem on sending emails or anything, you can just watch tutorials from here, and then there are settings, and like this is the whole thing basically. And now let's just see how this whole scenario works. So basically, if you send the emails from one email, let's say if you want to send 10,000 emails per day, and if you send emails from one email account only, like those emails would end up going to spam. So what we'll do is we will have to create multiple accounts, and on those multiple like accounts, we would have to buy multiple domain names, and on those multiple domain names we would have to buy multiple email accounts. Talking about my own, I have like domains like my website name is khadeenakbar.com, so it's trykhadeenakbar.com, chkhadeenakbar.com, khadeenakbarlive.com, and I have bought these kind of domain names. So what you have to do is you have to find these kind of domain names or similar to your business, and let's say there are 3 assumptions. So first of all, if you want to send 100 emails per day, you need 1 domain name and 2 email accounts. So from one domain email account you can send maximum of 50 emails per day. So you would only need 2 email accounts to send 100 emails per day. Then if you want to send 1,000 emails per day, then you would need 5 domain names, which would be around $50, and then 20 email accounts. And if you want to send 10,000, then you would need 40 domain names and 200 email accounts. So this is basically the process. So that we just have to select the domain names, buy it all, and then instantly AI would do it all for you. They would be managing the campaigns, they would be sending the emails for us. We just have to go to Unibox, and here we will receive all the emails, and we just have to reply to all those emails. And now it's time to set up the email accounts like this. Like here we just set it up, and or here, let me just show you. Or here I have to instantly accounts. So set up email accounts like this, and then add to instantly, and then start our campaign. But before just that, I just want to share something with you, that there are two types of email. First one is like Google Workspace, or Google Workspace, or Microsoft Office, and for that you have to pay around $6 per email. So if you have 10 email accounts, you would have to pay around $60 per month. Then there is second type of email account where you don't have to pay anything. You just have to pay a yearly fees, which is around like the $30 or $40 for hosting. Okay, so there are two types of accounts, and I would tell you about both of these, and in which scenario which account is better. So basically it varies with the type of accounts, type of clients, what type of clients you are serving. So if your clients are high ticket clients, and those clients are those leads are not enough, like these are less than 10,000 leads, and the client worth is more than $1,000, so then you should bet on the premium email service, which is Google Workspace or Microsoft Office. But if you have big number of clients, like small businesses or these kind of things, or your service is broad, you're selling something broad, and your offer is also less than $1,000, then I would recommend you to go with that simple email provider. And like you would get a lot of benefits from there, because you can send mass emails, and you don't have to pay a lot of bills for this. And now let's come to the technical setup part. Like if you want to buy your domain name from Namecheap, then set up the Google Workspace or Microsoft Office, you can just go to Instantly Accelerator, and I just don't want to waste your time because a lot of things have changed. And here you can just see their updated guide on technical setup, where they have guided you step by step how to buy a domain name, then how to set up SPF, DKIM, DMARC, domain forwarding, etc, etc. But if you just want to avoid this headache, then I have a solution for you, where you don't have to do anything. You just have to make a few clicks, and everything would be set up for you. And that solution is Inframail. So you just have to go again to the lecture here, resources, and these are two platforms, Coldfire and Inframail. If you go to Coldfire, this is a Google Workspace and Microsoft Office setup platform. So here what you just have to do is, you just have to go there, and here I have set it up a few domain names and emails. What you just have to do is, you just have to hit buy domain name, and from here you just have to buy a domain name, and they would even suggest you the domain names with AI. And then you just have to pay $15 per domain name. They will do the whole setup for you, and then they would like you would have to pay for the Google Workspace or Microsoft Office, whatever you want, and you will just get everything set up for you. And then even they would add all these emails to your Instantly account, and they will set up the warm up for you, and there is no extra fees, only $5 per domain name. And if you go to Fiverr to get these things done, you would have to pay around $20 per domain name. So this is really affordable, and you just have to buy domain, email, and that's all. The second solution for the like affordable thing is, because here you would have to pay the Google Workspace fees, which is $6 per month. So if you want to send let's say 1,000 emails divided by I guess 50 emails per account. So you would need 20 domain names. 20 into 6. So you would have to pay around $120 if you buy Google Workspace or Microsoft Office. But if you don't want to pay that, and let's say if and you would have to pay around $1,200 if you just per month, if you want to send 10,000 emails per day. Okay, but if you just get the second option, which is infra-mail, you will get in unlimited emails, unlimited inboxes, everything unlimited. It would not be Google Workspace or something like that, but it would be unlimited. And I already have an account, and I have set up my email accounts with them as well, because I am doing a lot of cold outreach. As I have told you, around 70% of my sales are coming from this. So with infra-mail, what you have to do is, again, you just have to buy a domain name. Let me just show you. Here you just have to buy okay, and here you can see and also it would generate your domains using AI. You just have to type in a keyword like, let's say, verified hub, then how much domains do you want, and it would generate the domains for you using AI. So it's generating the domain names, and it has generated. Then you would have to after buying these domain names, you just have to verify your email. Everything, all these things would be done using AI. Then they would provide you an export file. You just have to come to instantly, hit add new, SMTP, CSV, and obviously you would have to upgrade a plan for this. So I'll do this with this one, IMAP, any provider, click here to upload. And here you have this instantly bulk import, and you just have to hit upload all, and all the emails would be added to your account. But already all the emails are added. I have already added these emails to my accounts. So there are two options, infra-mail and Coldfire, that can do the whole domain setup for you. And after the domain setup is done, you would have to wait for 15 days for warm up. So warm up is basically the process where AI automatically sends and receives the emails and to tell the bots that it's a real account. And here you can see all my warm-up accounts health is 90% up mostly. And like after the warm-up is complete, you can start sending the emails. To start sending the emails, what's the process? First of all, you would have to find the leads using lead finder or whatever tool you want for, and this is amazing. This lead finder is amazing. You can just find the clients. Basically, let's say any service you want to sell, you want to target CEOs. Here you can type in CEO, and all the CEOs would be there. Then I want to target companies in California, so I'll search for California. Then what industry they are in, I want to target business services, education, and travel, and this one. Okay, then I want to target the companies with 0 to 1 million revenue, 1 to 10, and 10 to 50, more, not more than that. Then you have technologies, what those companies are using. Let's say I want to target the companies who have their websites built with WordPress. So here, from here, I can just select that as well. Here you can see I selected WordPress, and here you can see all the websites that are built with WordPress are come here. Okay, and then you have a lot other options. So what you can do is you can just save this search as well, and then you will just have to go to campaigns, hit add new, my campaign, continue, and here you just have to add the leads. And to add the leads, obviously you will just hit add leads, and then using lead finder, here we have this lead finder. We'll select the number of leads we want to import. I'll hit add to campaign, select the campaign, then I'll hit add to campaign, and all the leads would be added to the campaign. Then I'll just go to my campaign, and here you can see 25 leads are added. You can add 1000, 2000, whatever you want according to your plan. Then you just have to craft the email. You can craft the email according like yourself according to your offer, or you can just go to templates And from here there are a lot like influencer marketing, TikTok agency, like all the most popular emails are there. So if you have something similar to that, you can get inspiration from these emails, and these emails are amazing, believe me. Like the experts have crafted these emails, and these emails actually work. Okay, so I'll let's say I like this one, I just see. And also don't forget to add the unsubscribe link to all the emails, because it's policy now to contact me to contact you again, and then I'll add an unsubscribe link. Don't forget to add this unsubscribe link to your store, to your emails. Okay, and here you can just add the customizations, variables like first name, last name, employees, etc, etc. Then you can add the next step, like if someone doesn't reply in 3 days, then send them a follow-up. And for follow-up we also have templates. Let me just search for follow-up. Here we had the follow-ups. Yeah, we have this follow-ups, so we can just use these templates, then just save these. And don't forget to add this thing. Okay, because you can add any text, but you should be like you should add this text to avoid being go to spam. From here you can just set the email timings, and here you can just select the accounts from where you just want to send those emails, then how much number of emails and all the settings, then hit save and click launch. And here you go, the campaign is launched, and now you will see all the results here. If I want to pause the campaign, I can pause the campaign. If I want to add more leads, I can hit add more leads, then go to lead finder, and I can add more leads to it. Then I can make changes to it, and then I'll receive the replies in this uni box. From here I will be managing all the replies and things, etc, etc. Okay, so this was all about this lecture. I hope you liked the lecture. If you have any question, you can ask me in Q&A or messages. I would love to answer your questions. And if you want to get special offer, special prices on all those tools, I would recommend you to go to resources and click the links, and you would get the best prices. And that was all about this lecture. I would see you in the next one.
In this lecture, I am going to show you that how you can find clients and work on Upwork and Fiverr like websites. Now, Fiverr and Upwork are not only the freelancing websites. This lecture is basically a simple lecture. You can learn about it on everywhere because it's just completely public, but I just wanted to share this thing with you as well because this is a part of the course, and this is A to Z. So these are two main freelancing websites, but if you will search for best freelancing websites, and it would give you a lot of the freelancing websites where you can create your own account and you can provide the services. Now, what is Fiverr? First of all, Fiverr is where you can create your own gig, and then you can list it, and people will reach out to you, and they will order you that give order to you that create a video description for me, video script for me, or that kind of thing for you. Like here you can see this is basically a gig. I'll write your YouTube video script. Then here are the details, and here are the description of the gigs. Now, what you can do is you can just sign up on Fiverr. Just go here and click on become a seller and add your all information, and then you can create your own gig. Now, if you don't know how to create gig, you can get inspired by someone else's gig, and you can generate the content for gig using that AI tool, creator.ai. Just add all your details. Just click on after becoming a seller, you can create your own gig, and after that you can just provide the services. Okay, and then after you will create a gig, people will search for it, and they will see if your gig is appealing. You can they will order you, and you can just provide the services. And you will also have this here something called buyer requests, because because I used to hire a lot of people from Fiverr. So here people come, and I'll just tell about I need a script editor and a blah blah blah, and you will have some buyer buy request kind of thing here, and you can just go to those buy request. You can people will have some job posts, like I'm looking for a script editor. What you can do is you can reach out to that person, tell him or her that I can provide you these services. Then same is on Upwork. On Upwork, it's a lot hard to get approved, but after you are approved, you will have all the content writing and all kind of jobs. All the jobs will be listed here, and these are basically high ticket jobs. And what you can do, like here, people will post jobs for here for like me, and then what you have to do is you just have to send them the proposals that I can write content for you, I can write video script for you, I can write that for you, and you can get a long-term client from here. There are a lot other freelancing websites like Fiverr, People Per Hour, and Solid Gigs, freelancer.com, guru.com, and a lot others. You can just search about them, and you can just go there and work there. But this is not consistent because market is too much saturated. A lot of people have created their profiles there, so it's a lot hard to find clients, but it's sustainable. So you can try there. It would be hard to find clients, but when you have a profile set up, then it would be sustainable and easy to go. But it's not only the solution. You just have to follow all the ways to find the client, so that you have the complete information that how to do it, and like you have multiple sources of clients, so you are not messed up, or you never run out of the clients. So see you in the next lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn that how you can utilize the job search websites to find the clients. Now, if you are looking for some sustainable jobs where you can get a regular income and you don't have to worry about those projects and clients and all that stuff, then this lecture is best for you, because you will be getting the long-term clients using this lecture. So here's the thing. There are websites like Indeed and Glassdoor, and you know about these websites. And if you know about these websites, you can skip this lecture, because I think I should share each and everything with you, and that's why I'm sharing about it. So here, what you have to do is, whatever your location is, if your location is from somewhere where there are you are getting a low paying job, so what you can do is you can search for Indeed Canada, okay, and then just go there. And after going there, this is now Indeed Canada, and just select the location as remote, and here search for content writer or a copywriter or these kind of things, and here you will get a lot of the jobs. Just click on apply for these jobs, and if you will apply to 100 jobs, and if you get one job only, you can make around 1000 1500, like something around this, using this content writing job. Yep, you would have to create a resume, you have to create a complete portfolio, and then you will have to apply to these jobs. But I think it should be best for you if you will apply there from 100. If you get one only, you can get a sustainable position, a sustainable income every month, and it's remote. Same case is here. Just select the location which you want, then in filters select I just want it remote, and then you can go with it. Now this is just a demo. I'm just telling you about these two websites. There are hundreds of websites. Like there is a website remote jobs, remotejobs.com, and the remote.co, remotejobs.com, and a lot of other companies who are just recruiting the people, like Flex Jobs and LinkedIn, We Work Remotely, and a lot other things, a lot other websites. You can go to all the websites, find jobs suitable to you. You can dedicate an hour every day in like hunting jobs, and you can just utilize those platforms to find content writing jobs. And if you land the one, you can easily create the content using this tool, and you can land a job. That was all about this lecture. See you in the next one. In this lecture, you are going to learn that how you can find clients using Google, and this is the like a most a vast resource, largest resource of clients. And if you know how to use Google, then you will never run out of the clients. Now, how to do it? Now, first of all, you have to decide like what kind of clients you are looking for. Like let's say I have decided a niche. I just want to create content for restaurants. I just want to do content writing for them, and I'm looking clients for restaurants. You have to be creative here. Okay, so let's say I think I have decided that I want to find restaurant clients, and I just want to do content writing for them. So what you have to do is restaurant, and then you can add the double quote, and then here you can add any city, like let's say California, or let's say I'll add Vancouver. After adding it, now the people who are at top, they would not hire you because they are the experts, they know each and everything. But you can go to tools, you can go to anytime, and you can select the past month. Now here you just when you will just go to the bottom, you will get a lot of the websites who don't have content. Just go to the bottom, here you will get a lot of like this one, this website. And if you know about SEO and all that stuff, you can provide those services, SEO and security services to this one as well. And if you don't know about it, you can audit this website, and you can just go to Fiverr, hire someone, and you can provide those services. Then here you can see this is the restaurant, and if this restaurant don't have blog, I think, and if this restaurant don't have blog, then what you can do is you can tell them that you don't have blog, you are missing a lot, I can write content for you for your blog, and it would be a lot helpful for you, and that and that. And now how to reach out to them? So here you will get their email from Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, or you can reach out to them via Instagram, or you can use a plugin, email extractor, Chrome extension. I'm using it on incognito mode right now, so that's why I cannot add it, but this is the Chrome extension. And this Chrome extension, when you will go to some of the any website, if there is an email on that website, this extension will tell you that these are the emails, so you can just go add their email, and to their email you can tell them that I can like this is the email. How can I forget it? So this is the email, info at that blah blah blah. Okay, so you can reach out to this email, you can tell them that I can write content for you, and you can pay me that much, and I'll be writing content for you, and blah 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 blah. Okay, and then there's another way, and that is Google Maps. What you can do is you can just go to Maps, and here don't go at the top, because at the top there are giants, and they already have hired bigger agencies, so you cannot compete with them. But go to the bottom, and complete bottom, where you can see there are few results only. Now I am targeting a metro city, which is international metro city, that's why I'm getting that much bigger giants there. But if you will target your city or a small city, then what would happen is you will get a small number of restaurants with higher reviews and with higher reputation, and you will get a lot of the restaurants, like let's say I'll search Sargodha. And now here you can see, when I'll go to bottom, here you can see there are a lot of restaurants who don't have a lot of like reviews. And I think what you can do is who are at the bottom, or you can just click on that, and you can find a their phone number, and you can find their website here as well. And if you don't find their website, you can provide them the web design services. And if you don't know how to design websites, you can search on Google, and or you can find any of my courses there. And my courses are also on web design, and you can learn about that as well. And then here regarding the content writing, here you can just call on their number. This is their website, you can reach out to this website, you can talk to them. This is their website, and this is get a code, and here you just have to add your name, phone number, email, and here you have to message them that I'm a content writer, I can create content for you, and it would be a lot beneficial for you. And like you can get a lot of exposure, and you can get a lot of things like that. Okay, same is with other ones, you can just reach out to them. And now the thing is that if what email should you send them? And the answer is pretty much solved. Just go there, okay, and go to open form, and as I told you before, write an email sequence, cold email sequence for me. Cold email sequence for my content writing campaign for restaurants, where I reach out to restaurants to provide them content writing services. Okay, and just click on create, and AI will generate the complete email sequence for you as well. Then you can just copy this email and you can just paste it here, and you can send that email. And if you want automation, what you can do is you can just use this plugin, which is Streak. This is a Gmail extension, the streak.io, and you can just use this extension if you are using Gmail. But if you are using any other, then what you can do is you can just send the emails one by one, more personalized email, and that would be the best. Sending them personalized email, first of all, add this introduction, and then are you looking for more customers at your company who understand the importance of compelling content and all that. Then the second email, then the third email, and you just have to send first email for first day, second email after 1 week, and third email after 2 weeks. And then if they convert, you have a client. Okay, and that was all about this lecture. See you in the next one. In this lecture, you are going to learn a crazy and out-of-the-box ways to find the copywriting clients. This is not for content writing, but this is for ads copywriting, and you can utilize the Facebook ads library to find clients for yourself. First of all, go to Google and search for Facebook ads library. Then go to that ads library. And after going to that ads library, what you have to do is you just have to select the location you want to target the clients. I say United States. Then add category, all ads, and then add any market you want to target. Like let's say I again want to target the restaurant, so I'll search for restaurant. Sorry, not dentist, but restaurant. Restaurant. And then here you will see some of the filters. If you want to apply these filters, you can apply these filters as well. Now here you have multiple ads. Now this ad, this ad, this ad, this ad, these ads have amazing copies, so we don't have to mess up with them. But what you have to do is you just have to try copies like this one. This copy is sick. I don't like it. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just go to this website, their website, or what I'll do is we'll just go to their page, and this is their website, this is their page. So what we'll do is we'll just message them that I saw your ad copy is not good, but I can help you to generate an amazing ad copy, and I'll charge you that much, and I can tell you that this ad copy can boost your results. Then just provide them an ad copy for free. Then if they like it, then for other ads they will obviously hire you. And I think this is an amazing strategy people are using to find that copywriting clients and Facebook ads clients as well. Then just have a look at other ones as well. Any copy this one, and we'll just go below and below. There would be a lot unprofessional ads below, which you can target, who are not using emojis, like this one. This one is not using yep, this one is not using any ad copy. Then let's just go below. There are a lot other restaurants or a lot other businesses who are not using great ad copies. Like this one is in the form of a complete paragraph, and people don't like it. Then this one is not customized, and you can have a look at the copies. If you think any copy is not good, you can just follow the same thing. Just go there, just hover over here, just click on go to page, go to their page, and tell them that your ad copy is sick, and I can improve the ad copy, and this can help you to boost your ad results as well. And then obviously you will get the information, you will get the responses, and you will get the results as well. That was all about this lecture. See you in the next one. In this lecture, we are going to discuss that how you can find clients using social media. Now, this is not a generic lecture, but I'll tell you about the out-of-the-box ways with which you can get the clients. Now, using Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and also using Twitter. Now, I was to create some dedicated lectures to all these things, but then I found that the way is simple, so I should not waste your time, and I should create a single lecture on all of that. And you have to be creative, because a lot of people would be learning from this course course, and everyone have to be creative and get their own city, get their own niche they want to target, and get their own way of writing and get their own way of reaching out to people. And you cannot copy one another or anyone else. Just be creative, try your own ways, and if something works for you, this can be your long-term investment. Okay. So how to find clients? Now first of all, let's just talk about YouTube. Now what about YouTube? Now what you have to do is you have to go to YouTube, search for videos like let's say I'll search for how to cook meat. Okay. And then here I will just see this month, and I'll say upload count. And now here you will find a lot of the videos on YouTube. Now there are a lot of the videos who don't have proper content writing, who don't have proper scripting of the video, and you have to find those. Now this is just a generic thing. Now anyone who is cooking meat is not able to pay you that much. But what you have to do is you just have to target the lawyers, you have to target restaurants, you have to target a lot other things. Now for lawyers, let's say, what do you want to search? Now you don't know about your market, you don't know like what a lawyer should be creating content about, and what a restaurant should be creating content about, or what like any kind of market you want to target is going to create content about. Then, or you can just reach out to your favorite content creators and you can tell them that your copy is not good, your script is not good, like this guy, or there would be a lot of people whom you can reach out, like real estate. So I'll search for properties in Vancouver. Okay, properties in Vancouver, and I'll just go to filter this month, and I'll have a look at all the people who are just creating videos on it. Now they have great thumbnails, they have great content, but there are a lot of people who don't have proper content, like this guy. You can reach out to this guy, you can watch their videos, you can have a look at it. If they don't have proper script, they don't have proper description to rank, you can tell them that I can create video content for you, I can create that I can create like a video description for you, like this one who is not getting that much views. You can reach out to them. Then this guy, and this guy as well. So these are all the people who who don't have proper content, like descriptions, who don't have proper titles. So you can tell them that I can write SEO friendly titles, I can write SEO friendly descriptions for you, I can write video scripts for you. And how to reach out to them, just go to their about. Here you will find their website or their Facebook page, or from their website you can reach out to them, or you will find their email address as well. You just have to click on email address, you have to submit the captcha, and you will get their email address. Or what you can do is you can just go to their video description, and here in video description you will get all their like TikTok, Instagram profile, and other profiles as well. Same is with all other content creators. Just reach out to them, just tell them that your content is not you're doing great content, but you're missing with description, titles. That's why you are not ranking, you are not getting views, and I can help you generate amazing titles. This is what we can do with YouTube. Now same is with Facebook. Just go there, on search on Facebook for restaurants, let's say. Search for, sorry, I just misspelled it, restaurants. Go to places, and you can select the location as well, like let's say I'll say Washington DC, and then here you can see. Now you can just reach out to these brands who don't have a lot of likes and who are not getting a lot of interactions. You can tell them that I can write social media content for you, like this one don't have proper is not posting the content, and they don't have the proper content set up. So what you can do is you can just send them the message. You can tell them that I can create amazing posts for you, I can generate amazing content for you, hire me and I will love to work for you. Same is with Instagram. You can go to Instagram, just go to search, and you just have to type in any hashtag, like restaurant, and here like restaurant or real estate Dubai, and it would give all the posts to you. You can just check out the post on mobile. It would be a lot easy for you to check it on mobile. You can check it on mobile easily, and if you think they don't have proper copies, they don't have proper content, then you can reach out to them. Here's a latest option as well. You can sort it by latest on mobile, and then you will find a lot of reads and content who are not having proper content. You can tell them that I can write content for you and all that. And same is with Twitter. Just follow a hashtag, go to that hashtag, tell the people that I can write amazing content for you. I can create some kind of things for you, like you can tell anything. You will find a lot of people here who are just trying to go on to Twitter, who are just trying to like boom on Twitter, who are just trying to create content on Twitter. In any field, you can check out your field which you are interested in. You can tell them I can create content for you, create content for them, and then you can get paid and you will get a lot of the clients. And I hope this lecture helped you, with other social media platforms like TikTok and a lot of other platforms. You can do the same. You can tell them I can write video scripts, I can write the copies for you, and you can get paid for it. I just didn't created a dedicated video on this one because there are a lot of other platforms, and you just have to use the same strategy on all those platforms and you can get the clients. And that was all about this lecture. See you in the next one.